Welcome back to part 2 of DC Super Friends Rip Slam Surprise Box. And if you watched the previous video, you saw me rip Slam and you got surprised. I ended up getting Batgirl, and this is the car. The Batmobile actually comes in a box as well. You can stand them on top of it, just like this. Take them down either way. Sit them right there by the car like that. Either way, so that's why I said it's pretty cool. You get a lot more. So we're gonna open Dr. Freeze, get this box open so we can see how his vehicle actually looks. There we go. It's similar, but not the same as Batgirl's vehicle, as you can see. They're similar, but not the same. But I see where they're going with it. They actually want you to be able to stand these characters up on it like that. That looks pretty cool. Or you could get him to get off of that. And you could actually have him standing out just like Batgirl does. So. Which, like I said, is cool. So you're getting way more than what you bargained for like $4. What do you guys think? Like this video, leave your comments, and subscribe. Let's stand on back on top. And you can put these anywhere. This will go good on top of your televisions, nightstands, in your living room, anywhere. It's just really cool. Especially if you are a DC fan. And believe me, I would like to have more of these because there are a lot of DC characters. So there you have it. Subscribe.